RDX English Learning.
Asking about someone's job. Hello. What do you do?
Hello, I am a teacher.
Where do you work?
I work at Greenfield School.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it very much.
How long have you worked there?
I've worked there for 5 years.
What time do you start work?
I start at 8 o'clock in the morning.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I have weekends off.
What do you teach?
I teach English and math.
Do you like your students?
Yes, they are very friendly.
Is your school big?
Yes, it is a big school with many students.
Do you have many colleagues?
Yes, there are 20 teachers.
Where is your office?
My office is near the library.
Do you work in the city center?
Yes, it is in the city center.
Do you enjoy your work every day?
Yes, most days are good.
Do you have to wear a uniform?
Yes, I wear a formal shirt and trousers.
Do you travel for your job?
Sometimes, for meetings or events.
Do you work with many people?
Yes, I work with teachers and staff.
Do you like your office?
Yes, it is comfortable and quiet.
Do you teach children or adults?
I teach children from age 6 to 12.
Thank you. It's nice to know about your job.
You're welcome.
At the supermarket.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. Where is the bread?
The bread is on aisle 3.
Thank you.
Do you want white bread or brown bread?
I want brown bread, please.
Do you need milk today?
Yes, I need 2 bottles of milk.
Do you like fresh milk or long life milk?
Fresh milk, please.
Do you want some fruit today?
Yes, I need apples and bananas.
How many apples do you want?
I want 6 apples, please.
How many bananas do you need?
I need 4 bananas.
Do you want some vegetables too?
Yes, I want carrots and potatoes.
Do you cook every day?
Yes, I cook dinner every day.
Do you like to shop here?
Yes, this shop is close to my home.
Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I wrote it this morning.
Do you need eggs today?
Yes, I need 1 dozen eggs.
Do you want butter?
No, thank you. I have butter at home.
Are you looking for cheese?
Yes, where is the cheese section?
It's next to the yogurt section.
Oh, I see it. Thank you.
Do you have a shopping bag?
No. Can I buy one here?
Yes, it costs 20 rupees.
Okay, I will take 1 bag.
Do you want to pay with cash or card?
I will pay with cash.
Here is your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Asking for a glass of water.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. Could I have a glass of water?
Of course. Do you want cold water or warm water?
Cold water, please.
Would you like a small glass or a big glass?
A big glass, please.
Do you want plain water or sparkling water?
Plain water, please.
Do you want ice in your water?
Yes, a little ice, please.
Do you want it with lemon?
Yes, a small slice of lemon, please.
Would you like a bottle of water instead?
No, thank you. A glass is fine.
Is this for here or to take away?
For here, please.
Do you want me to bring it now?
Yes, please bring it now.
Here is your glass of water.
Thank you very much.
Is the water okay?
Yes, it is perfect. Thank you.
Do you need more water later?
Maybe. I will tell you later.
Would you like some ice cubes now?
No, thank you. It's already cold.
Do you want a straw?
Yes, please. A straw would be nice.
Would you like a napkin with your water?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Would you like to order something else?
Not now. Just water, thank you.
Do you know our water is free today?
Oh, really? That's great.
Would you like another glass for your friend?
Yes, please. One for my friend, too.
Do you want still water for your friend?
Yes, still water is fine.
Here are 2 glasses of water. Enjoy.
Thank you so much for your help. Asking for a seat on the bus. Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit here.
Thank you. Is this bus going to the city center?
Yes, it is.
How long does it take to reach the city center?
About 30 minutes.
Does this bus stop at the main market?
Yes, it stops there.
Can I pay with a card on this bus?
No, only cash is accepted.
How much is the ticket?
It is 50 rupees.
Do I need to show the ticket to the driver?
Yes, please show it when you get on.
Is this bus usually crowded?
Yes, at this time it is a bit busy.
Can I hold my bag on my lap?
Yes, that's fine.
Is there a stop near the library?
Yes, it's the 3rd stop from here.
Excuse me, can I sit next to you?
Sure, please sit.
Do buses run every hour?
Yes, from morning to evening.
Can I ask the driver to stop anywhere?
No, only at bus stops.
Is there a bus in the evening too?
Yes, buses run until 10 p.m.
Can I stand if there are no seats?
Yes, but hold the handrail carefully.
Are there buses on Sunday?
Yes, but they come less often.
Can I take a child on this bus?
Yes, children can travel with adults.
Is it safe to sit at the back?
Yes, it is safe.
Can I keep my bag on the floor?
Yes, but please don't block the aisle.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
Asking about school subjects. Hello, what is your favorite subject?
Hello. My favorite subject is English.
Who is your English teacher?
My teacher is Mrs. Sharma.
Do you like math?
Yes, I like math a little.
What is your least favorite subject?
My least favorite subject is science.
Why don't you like science?
It is a bit difficult for me.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, my favorite teacher is my English teacher.
How many subjects do you study?
I study 6 subjects.
What subjects do you study this year?
I study English, math, science, history, art, and music.
Do you have many homework assignments?
Yes, I have homework in every subject.
Which subject is the easiest for you?
Art is the easiest subject for me.
Which subject is the hardest?
Math is the hardest for me.
Do you like to study history?
Yes, I like it because it is interesting.
Who is your math teacher?
My math teacher is Mr. Singh.
Do you like music class?
Yes, I enjoy singing and playing instruments.
How many hours do you study every day?
I study about 3 hours every day.
Do you study alone or with friends?
Sometimes I study with friends.
Do you like to read books for English class?
Yes, I like reading stories and poems.
Do you have any exams this week?
Yes, we have a science exam on Friday.
Do you get good grades in school?
Yes, I get good grades in most subjects.
Thank you. Now I know about your school subjects.
You're welcome.
Asking for help finding an address. Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
Can you show me on the map?
Sure. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Green Park.
Okay, here it is on the map.
Is it far from here?
Not very far. About 10 minutes by bus.
Can I walk there?
Yes, it takes about 20 minutes to walk.
Which street should I take?
Take Main Street, then turn left at the second traffic light.
Is there a bus to Green Park?
Yes, bus number 5 goes there.
Where is the bus stop?
It is next to the coffee shop.
Do I need to get off at the last stop?
No, get off at the third stop.
Can you tell me another way to go?
Yes, you can also take the train from the station.
How long does it take by train?
About 5 minutes.
Is it easy to find the train station?
Yes, it is near the supermarket.
Are there any landmarks to look for?
Yes, you will see a big red building near the park.
Can I use a taxi?
Yes, it is very easy and fast by taxi.
Is it safe to walk there at night?
Yes, the area is safe.
Can I ask you again if I get lost?
Of course, I can help you anytime.
Is there a restaurant near Green Park?
Yes, there is a small cafe at the entrance.
Do I need to buy a ticket for the park?
Yes, tickets cost 50 rupees.
Is there parking if I go by car?
Yes, there is a parking area next to the park.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Asking about store returns. Excuse me, can I ask something?
Yes, of course.
Can I return this item?
Yes, you can return it within 7 days.
Do I need a receipt?
Yes, please bring your receipt.
What if I lost my receipt?
Then we can check the purchase in our system.
Can I exchange it for another item?
Yes, you can exchange it.
Do I get cash back if I return it?
Yes, we can give you cash or a refund to your card.
Is there a restocking fee?
No, there is no restocking fee.
How long does the return process take?
Usually 5 to 10 minutes.
Do I need to bring the original packaging?
Yes, please bring the box or bag.
Can I return online purchases in the store?
Yes, we accept online returns here.
Is the return policy the same for sale items?
No, sale items cannot be returned.
Can I return more than one item at a time?
Yes, you can return multiple items.
Do I need an ID for the return?
Yes, please show your ID.
Can someone else return the item for me?
Yes, but they need your receipt or order number.
Is there a special counter for returns?
Yes, it's near the customer service desk.
Can I get a store credit instead of cash?
Yes, you can choose store credit.
What if the item is damaged?
Damaged items can be returned for a full refund.
Can I return a gift?
Yes, but bring the receipt if possible.
Can I return it after 7 days?
No, after 7 days, we cannot accept returns.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.